Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Sakti Prasad. Today, I'm going to discuss about the dice probability. And now, these are the outlines of my lecture. And here we have studies for the dice probability, some of the two dices and some of the three dices. And then we have used the concept of complex event for solving the sum of two dices and some of the three dices examples. So now the dice probabilities. First we go for the experiments of throwing a fair die. When we throw a fair die, then the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sample space is omega 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore the total number of the possible outcomes is 6. Now when we flip a fair die, there is always the probability to getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 is 1 by 6. Now we go for the experiments of throwing two dice simultaneously. Therefore the sample space is omega, we can write 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6, and we write the similarly 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 6 6 5 and 6 6, and therefore the total number of the possible outcomes is 6 square equal to 36. And then here we have go for the sum of two dices. Before that, here is the what is the minimum sum is 1 plus 1 is 2, and maximum sum is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Then we go for the sum of two dices. The minimum sum is 1 comma 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and the maximum sum 6 comma 6 equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 12, and therefore the total number of the possible outcomes is 6 square is equal to 36. And then we write the sum of the two dices is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And now after that we go for the figure of sum of the two dices. Here this represent the sum parts, and this represent, and this side represented by ways in favor, means that 2 is occur 1 times, sum 2 is occur 1 times, 3 is occur 2 times, 4 is occur 3 times, 5 is occur 4 times, and 6 is occur 5 times. Some 7 is occur 6 times, some 8 is occur 5 times, some 9 is occur 4 times, some 10 is occur 3 times, some 11 is occur 2 times, and some 12 is occur 1 time. Suppose here is question is coming, what is the probabilities of getting sum is 6. Then 6 is occur 5 times, then we directly write the ways in favor divided by 36, means that we can write the 5 by 36. This is the answer for probabilities of getting sum is 6. Now we move for the example. When two dices are thrown, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers appeared is 6? Now the solution is sum is 6. We write the ways in favor and total number of the possible outcomes. According to the figure of sum of two dices, we write the 6 is occur 5 times, that is, and divided by 36, we get the result by 5 by 36, and after that the sum of the numbers appear less than equal to 8. And now solution is probably sum is less than equal to 8 is equal to sum is equal to 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, and then we write 2 is occur 1 times and or is plus, 3 is occur 2 times plus, 4 is occur 3 times, 5 is occur 4 times, 6 is occur 5 times plus, 7 is occur 6 times plus, 8 is occur 5 times, and after summing we get the values is 26 by 36, and after simplify we get the result is 13 by 18. And now we go for the sum of the numbers appear is an odd numbers. Here the solution is sum is odd, means we can write the sum is equal to 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 or 11, and then 3 is occur 2 times, 5 is occur 4 times, plus 7 is occur 6 times, plus 4 is 9 is occur 4 times, plus 11 is occur 2 times. Then after simplify we get the result is 1 by 2, and similarly we find the sum of numbers appeared is an even numbers, that is coming from half also. And now we move for the next example. When two dice are thrown, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers is a multiple of 3? That the solution is sum is the multiple of 3 is equal to sum is equal to 3 or 6 or 9 or 12. Question is why we take the not taken 15, because the when we sum of the two dices we know that the maximum sum of two dices is 12. That's why we have stop here. And after that we write the probabilities of 3 is occur 2 times, plus 6 is occur 5 times, 9 is occur 4 times, plus 12 is occur 1 times, and these values are coming from the figure of sum of two dices. And after simplify we get the result is 1 by 3 is the result for this question. And now the numbers shown are equal. Here we write the capital A, B the events of numbers shown are equal. That is we can write here 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Then the probability of A be the events is equal to 6 by 36, means that 6 is the ways in favor. Favor is what numbers shown are equal. There we counted here 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's why we can write 6 by 36, and the result is 1 by 6. And now we go for the differences of the number is 2. Find the probabilities the differences of the number of t. First to need the number of number of favorable events. Here is A is 3142536446352413, and after that we write the probabilities is 8 by 36. 8 is the ways in favor. Here we just count the total number of the favorable 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's why we can write 8 by 36. 36 is the total number of the possible outcomes for throwing of two dice. And now we get the simplified result 2 by 9. Now the move for the next example. The dice is thrown 3 times in a succession. Then find the probabilities of getting two ones. And here first we write the probabilities of getting 1 is 1 by 6. Probabilities of getting not 1 is 5 by 6. Now we need to the complex event. Now the complex event is what? Here is the probabilities of getting two ones, but dice is thrown 3 times, means that the space is filled by the 3 spaces is given, but 2 times 1 is occur 1 1, and last elements is filled by the not 1. Now after that find the probabilities of this complex events concept. Here we write the probabilities of first one into probabilities of 1 into probabilities of not 1 into arrangement of 1 1 not 1. And now we write the calculated values. Probabilities of 1 is what? Numerically values is 1 by 6. Now probabilities of 1 is also 1 by 6, and probabilities of not 1 is 5 by 6. And after that how to arrange of these three letter words. And now here is the three letters, just we write the 3 factorial divided by what? Here is the 1 is occur 2 times, that we write the 2 factorials, and after calculation we get the result is 5 by 72. Now we move for the next question. Find the probabilities of getting 11 3 times in 100 tosses of two dices. Now the solution is, here the probabilities of getting 11 is 1 by 18 with the help of sum of the two dices figure, and then the probabilities of not getting 11 is 17 by 18. Now the complex event is what? 11 is occur 3 times, and not 11 is occur 97 times, because the whole space, then probabilities of getting 11 3 times is 100 tosses are there. Then 11 is occur 3 times and not 11 is occur 97 times. Then it's fill up the 100 tosses. And now we need to find the probabilities of this complex event. First we write the probabilities of 11 occurs 3 times, probabilities of not 11 occur 97 times into arrangement of 11 occur 3 times, not 11 occur 97 times. Now the probabilities of 11 is 1 by 18, but 11 is occur 3 times, that's why we write the 1 by 18 to the power 3 into probabilities of not 11 is 17 by 18, but 7 not 11 is occur 97 times, that's we can write the 17 by 18 to the power 97. And now we write the arrangement, how to arrange of 11 occur 3 times, not 11 occur 97 times. Then the total numbers of words is here is hundreds factorial divided by 11 is occur 3 times and not 11 is occur 30 times. These are the we write the 3 factorial and 97 factorial. These portions are coming from the permutations parts. So these are the answer for this question. And now we move for the next example. The dice is thrown 15 times in succession. Find the probabilities of getting of 6 3 times, 5 4 times, 4 2 times, 3 2 times, 2 2 times, and 1 2 times. And now we go for the solution. Here the probabilities of getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 is 1 by 6. And now the complex event is what? Here the 15 spaces are there. Now first we write the 6 is occur 3 times, 5 is occur 4 times, 2 is occur, 4 is occur 2 times, 3 is occur 2 times, 2 is occur 2 times, 1 is occur 2 times. Now these are the questions are considering here for the fair dice only. That's why we can write the probabilities of getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 is 1 by 6. Now after that we find the probabilities of complex event. First we write the probabilities of 6 occur 3 times, 5 occur 4 times, 4 occur 3 times, probabilities of 3 occurs 2 times into probabilities of 2 occur 2 times, probabilities of 1 occur 2 times into arrangement of this. 6 occur 3 times, 5 occur 4 times, 4 occur 2 times, 3 occur 2 times, 2 occur 2 times, and 1 occur 2 times. Then we need to write the numerical values of probabilities of getting 6. The probabilities of getting 6 is 1 by 6, but 6 is occur 3 times, that's why we can write for 1 by 6 to the power 3 into probabilities of getting 5. Then we also write the probability 1 by 6 to the power 4. Next the probabilities of 4 1 by 6 to the power 2 because for probability 4 is occur 2 times. Similarly, we write the probabilities of occur 3. 3 is occurred 1 by 6 to the power 2. 2 is occurred 2 times, probability 1 by 6 to the power 2, and 1 is occurred 2 times. Then we write the probability 1 by 6 to the power 2 into arrangement. Then arrangement is what? The 15 total is thrown as 15. Then you write the 15 factorial divided by 6 is occur 3 times, 4 is occur 5 is occur 4 times, 4 is occur 2 times, 3 is occur 2 times, 2 is occur 2 times, and 1 is occur 2 times. This is the simplified answer for this question. And now we go for the sum of the three dices. Here the minimum sum. In a previous one we have seen that the sum of the two dices is 1, minimum sum of the two dices is 1 1. Now here is sum of the three dices. We write the similarly minimum sum is 1 comma 1 comma 1. Then we write 1 plus 1 equal to 3. And the maximum sum 6 comma 6 comma 6 equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 18. Therefore, the total number of the possible outcomes is 6 to the power 3 is equal to 216. Now after that we write the sum of the three dices 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now here we have seen that here is the 10 and 11 is the middle points. Now we go for the shortcut for finding the sum of the three dices. So here is one figure of sum of the three dices. Therefore, this part is represented by the sum. 3 is and this part is represented is in favor. Now 3 is occur 1 times, 4 is occur 3 times, 5 is occur 6 times, 6 is occur 10 times, and 7 is occur 15 times, 8 is occur 21 times, 9 is occur 25 times, and 10 is occur 27 times. And now 11 is occur also 27 times, 12 is occur 25 times, 13 is occur 21 times, and 14 is occur 15 times, 15 is occur 10 times, 16 is occur 6 times, 17 is occur 3 times, and 18 is occur 1 times. And now how will we find? Just we need 3 is occur 1 times, then we go for the plus 2, then we getting 3, and then we plus 3, then we getting 6, then we plus 4, we getting 10, then we plus 5 getting 15, then we plus 6 getting 21. Why we take getting for 2 3 4 5 6? Because when we throwing off one die we getting 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's why we have written here 15 plus 6 is equal to 25, and after that 2 is remaining, so just we adjust that. The 21 plus 4 is equal to 25, and 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. Now in a similar way we can write here. And now after that, suppose your question is coming, what is the probabilities of getting 6? Sum, what is the probabilities of getting sum is 6 for throwing off 3 dice. Now 6 is occur 10 times, then we write here ways in favor 10 by 216. This is the answer for this question. And now we go for the example. When 3 dice are thrown, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers appear is 6? Just we write the sum is equal to 6, the ways in favor and total number of the possible outcomes. Then 6 is occur for throwing of 3 dice is 10 by 216, and after calculation we get the 5 by 108. The sum of the numbers appeared is greater than 12. Now we write the sum is greater than 12. The sum is equal to 13 or 14 or 15 or 16 or 17 or 18. Now 13 is occur 21 times, plus 14 is occur 15 times, plus 15 is occur 10 times, 16 is occur 6 times, plus 17 is occur 3 times, plus 18 is occur 1 times, and after adding we get the result is 56 by 216, and after more simplification we get the result is 7 by 27. And now the next is sum of the numbers appear is an odd numbers. Here we have write the sum is odd. Then we write the sum is equal to 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 or 11 or 13 or 15 or 17. Now 3 is occur 1 times, 5 is occur 6 times, 7 is occur 15 times, 9 is occur 25 times, 11 is occur 27 times, 13 is occur 21 times, and 15 is occur 10 times, and 17 is occur 3 times. These are coming from the figure of sum of the 3 dices, and after adding we get the result is 1 by 2. And similarly we find the sum of the numbers appear as an even, then we getting the same result 1 by 2. And now we move for the next question. When the 3 dices are thrown, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers is multiple of 3? Here the solution is sum of the number is multiple of 3 is what? Sum is equal to 3 or 6 or 9 or 12 or 15 or 18. Why we not take 21? Because here is the sum of the maximum sum of for 3 dice is 18. So that's why we have a stop here. And now we write the probabilities of occurring 3 is 1, plus 6 is 10, and 9 is occur 25 times, 12 is occur 25 times, 15 is occur 10 times, and 18 is occur 1 times, and after adding we get the result is 1 by 3. And now the next question, numbers shown are equal. Here the A B the events of the numbers shown are equal. That is, we can write 1 1 1, 2 2 2, 3 3 3, 4 4 4, 5 5 5, 6 6 6. This is the number of this is the number of favorable events. So number of favorable means what? Here is the 6 number of favorable events. Now the probabilities of A is 6 by 216. Then we get the result 1 by 36. Now the sum of the number is divisible by 5. Now we write the sum is divisible by 5 is sum equal to 5 or 10 or 15. Then 5 is occur 6 times plus 10 is occur 27 times plus 15 is occur 10 times. Then it divided by 216. 216 is the total number of the possible outcomes for throwing of 3 dice. And after simplify we get the result is 43 by 216. Now thank you guys. So please go like and comments.